Hi, I am Dr. Punitha Rangaraj, obstetrician, gynecologist and infertility specialist of Cambridge Hospital, also Bangalore. Low sperm count. First of all, what is low sperm count? According to the latest WHO criteria, each ml of semen should have more than 15 million sperms. If it is less than 15 million per ml, then we call it as low sperm. How do you identify it? Just go for a semen analysis. If the first semen analysis shows low sperm, please don't panic. Please repeat it for the second time. This time, maybe you can avoid sex for 3 to 5 days and then do the semen analysis. If that also shows low sperm, then it is definitely you are suffering from a low sperm count. Then the management part of it. How do you manage? It all depends on the reason or the cause behind it. So maybe I will try to list out what are all the reasons for a low sperm count. The first and foremost would be the lifestyle management. Especially in a younger generation now, the lifestyle management is very important. Things like obesity, smoking, drinking, very strenuous exercises, cycling for a long distance or a long distance on a motorbike, even horse riding can bring down your sperm count. The other causes could be a condition called varicocele, where there are lots of blood vessels which are engorged around the testicular area. It is called varicocele, which can be detected by doing an ultrasound Doppler. And the second would be hydrocele, where there is a fluid collection around the scrotum. The third could be an obstruction of the tube called vas deferens, which carries the sperm from the testis to the ejaculatory tract. Or it could be a trauma, an injury which could have happened due to some accident to your testicular tissue. Or maybe it could be an infection, something like mumps or tuberculosis. Even if you have suffered in your young age, that could have affected your testicular tissue. The other cause could be the hormonal imbalance. The pituitary gland in the brain, which is directly responsible for the production of the semen, suppose if there is an hormonal imbalance, that also can bring down your sperms. And the last but not the least is idiopathic. That means 30% of this low sperm count, there is no cause for it. We call it as an unexplained low sperm count. Now, coming to the management part of it, all the reasons which I have narrated, most of them are not avoidable. You'll have to seek a medical advice and the doctors will be able to help you out depending on the problem what you are having. But there is only one which is avoidable and which is within your reach. I would like to pass on this message very strongly to the present generation. It is the lifestyle management. The first thing is obesity. Late night dinners, untimely food and junk food makes you gain weight. In turn, it brings down your sperm count. And the second would be smoking. If you are a chronic smoker, please stop smoking immediately. Not only your sperm count, you know the other health issues what you will be facing. Third thing is alcohol. If you are consuming alcohol on a regular basis, please stop it completely. If it is really not possible to stop completely, occasional drinking, maybe once a month, once in 6 months, or only when you have a party, is allowed. And the fourth thing is strenuous exercises. People, the young men, they hit the gym, go for very strenuous exercises, take some dietary supplements to get a 6-pack or an 8-pack, just like this film stars. Please don't do it. It is really not healthy. Exercise is good, but you'll have to do it in moderation. So, this lifestyle management is within your reach. If you are able to manage everything, your sperm count will definitely go up and you will be a happy person.